It is actually snowing out today, just a little bit, and I want to find some parking lot to do a couple donuts with the old M2. So this is my 2018 BMW M2, stage 1, boot mode 3 tune, summer tires, 255, 275, Continental 5Ps off of a M3. Oh, you can't even see out how the roads are. Sorry about that, but they're just wet right now. But there's some back roads that weren't like salted or whatever that have quite a bit of snow and ice on them and stuff. But so far, as long as you take it easy on the M2, it's quite fine to drive in this weather. Keep in mind too, though, I am only giving it like 10% throttle, maybe less, and but I could rev it out high. I can't hit the gas in this. We'll give it a little gas now. I only have one hand, so I'm gonna pray. Yeah, and that was probably just like 15% gas or something like that. So yeah, as long as you're like, I don't want to sound too overconfident or get too overconfident, but as long as I'm light on the gas so far, it's okay. But you know, the roads are just like wet and cold. It's 27 degrees out, you know. One of the, like, I'm sorry I'm sideways, my microphones are hitting the roof here, but one of the things that sucks about driving with other people in the snow, though, is they go so slow. So like a lot of times you need speed to get up hills and to drive, so you have momentum and you're not slipping and stuff. But yeah, that's why I give like quite a bit of distance try to keep quite a bit of distance in front of me from the other cars. I'm just parked here at Naog Park, and I don't know, this goes around in a circle, this like road up here, and I don't know if I can make it up there. I'm not even gonna try it, but this isn't even plowed here, and this would be like the perfect spot to do a donut. There's just been like some cars coming and stuff, so I don't know how much of it I can actually do. But yeah, here's my M2 again. This is kind of getting boring just showing my car, but it's been fun. I think that's good enough. I don't want to get in trouble. And I had traction control on, so that's why I was cutting power when the tires were spinning and stuff. So, hopefully I can get up this hill. Oh, I can always pull off to the side where it's more clear, but so far it's doing well. It's all about that momentum. No trouble. Then you want to like ease up going downhill too. But yeah, I guess this is the extent of my snow driving. I'm gonna go pick up something to drink and then edit some videos and stuff. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I'm sorry it's so short and that there's no like awesome snow driving content. Like I wanted to do like crazier donuts in that spot, but there were just too many people coming back and forth there, and I wasn't in the mood to get in trouble because I get in trouble too much already. So, but the end of the story is BMW did surprisingly well in the snow. It's definitely not something I would take out in those conditions in public with other cars around and stuff like that. And that's the only place that wasn't plowed in my city and stuff. Yeah, I wouldn't take out the M2 with other cars around. That's just a danger to other people and stuff. And you don't want to damage your own car and stuff like that if it could be prevented. So I do actually have I'll show you. Let me get some lighting on them. I do actually have 4 snow tires here. They're pretty wide too, 285s and for the rear and 265s for the front. The reason I don't have them on the car is because my car was previously in an accident and I got it back like a week ago or something. So it's middle of February now and winter is not predicted to be that bad. Just the end of February, it's supposed to be in the 50s and stuff. And then February 11th, my car's going in to get the expel redone and everything. So I'm not going to have my car for the rest of the winter pretty much. And also I have a second car. So there's no point in mounting the snow tires on it now because I'm not going to be seeing the snow that much or anything. I'm not going to need them. So it's just a waste of time and everything. But yeah, I would have really loved to have the snow tires on and see how good the M2 does in the snow with actual snow tires on it. But that's going to have to wait until next year. And at least I did get to experience it with summer tires, so now I have something to compare it to in the future and stuff. But it's actually really bad in the snow. Like I park on the side of the street, and if there's some snow under the tires and stuff, I can't even move. Like if it's frozen hard packed snow, it's hard to move in that and stuff and get out of the parking spot. But like I said, most of the summer drivings or most of the snow driving stuff, it's all about momentum and easing on the throttle so you're not spinning your tires and losing control and stuff like that. It's more like momentum management more than anything, like once you get going and stuff on the road. So yeah, you just got to be careful like that, and that's what makes driving in the snow possible with the rear wheel drive car. But that's it for this video, guys. Take care, thank you, and all that. Follow me on Instagram to see more about my car. I'm not going to be putting all my car content on YouTube because some stuff is just random and I don't want to make like a whole video about it. It's just like stuff that I want to get done, and there's more important stuff I want to talk about on the channel. Yeah, so follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all that stuff. So and subscribe and like the video and follow me and all that. It will really help me out. So I don't know what's going on out there, but take care, guys. Thank you and goodbye. My lens isn't long enough, but there's a guy listening to Hispanic music in his car changing his rear tire. That's what that noise was.